Hi my friends, let's model the part number 75 inverted cones from my collection of 100 parts. The picture is this. It seems to be interesting with two cones inverted, 1, 2. The drawing shows more. You see, this is one and this is another. Difficulty simple, not complicated. First we create the base plate as a slot with dimensions 85 on 30. Let's start slot center to center 85 by 30. Center over center. Finish sketch. The thickness is 10. Extrude. Okay. Good. Now this contour of a trapeze, isosceles trapeze, 80 from the bottom, 68 on this level, and 75. The sketch is in this. Oh, this unbearable plane. Okay. We project the face and we create the trapeze. Something like this. And a closer line. Here is a small line which is not good. So we repair. Dimensions. Equal, coincident, '68, '80. Oh, they are not parallel. Yes. Horizontal. Horizontal. This plane impose that this is horizontal. Yes. This is 80. Is this dimension, and 75. Finish sketch. Extrude symmetrical on 10. Extrude symmetrical 10 is by default. Okay. Next is this mid part which is this, with dimensions from center to center, from 25 to up 80, and 30 with extrusion on 20. The plane is also this one. Project geometry, rectangle, dimension 25 from the bottom, coincident or same horizontal for this point with this point, 30, and extrusion symmetrical on 20. Good. Next is one cone. It is placed on this horizontal, and we create the external contour. F7, project geometry, close. This is the center line, coincident collinear with this, and dimensions. You see, this is 22, total 82, 34, 30. 30 is to this initial end. Good. 82, 22, 34 as a diameter, 30 also as a diameter. Finish sketch, revolve, everything is known. Okay. Now I can use the sketch, copy the sketch, and the other is the other cone is placed on this line. I project this line, and I paste, escape from project, paste the contour. The contour is over here. We take it to C, we make collinear these two, and we change everything. but not 82. So this is to be deleted. 22 is here. 30, 34. No big problem, but a problem. revolve. OK. Yes, this is the first presentation of our new volume. Is just like this. Yes. Good. Now I create this cut to put in history. 40 with 4 and radius 2. This face or the middle, but I don't want that. So 30 on 4. Coincident this midpoint with this midpoint. Radius 2 of the fillet, which is by default. I select the corner and the corner and finish sketch. Extrude, cut all the way. Okay, you see? Now let's apply 2 at 45. Yes, 2 at 45 is also by default the chamfers at the small circle. 2 and 2. Okay. Now the holes. Holes are 18 to both. Through. Hole. Face. Center. 18. And through. Plus. Face. Circle, through. Okay, 18. Tab 18. Okay. The part has also some extrusion of cylinders. This one is at an angle of 45 and a length of 40. We have to create a plane and another plane. First plane needs an axis. This is the axis, and then we have to rotate to be at minus 45. Minus 45. The next plane is parallel with this at 40. The first one is reference. We don't need it here. The circle is 15 and the hole is 8. 15, a circle on this plane. Circle of 18. Of 15, placed on the same vertical with the center point. Project geometry, this, to make the circle to be on the same line with the axis. Finish sketch, extrude to the part. Okay, this is the first extrusion, round extrusion. The hole is 8. This face, this center, 8, 2 to this internal hole or surface. Okay. The other extrusion is on the top, 20 millimeters from here, or 80 plus 20 from the bottom. 14 is the diameter and also 8 the hole, and the placement is at 20 from this vertical, 20 millimeters. We create a plane. Yes. From here at 80 plus 20. But not down. We have to apply minus. Home, minus, and minus. Okay, this is the plane. We create a circle on this face, which is anywhere. 14 on the same horizontal. This is horizontal. Same horizontal with this point, and to the right, not to the left. Right, at the distance of 20. Finish sketch, extrude to the part. Okay. Hole, this is not necessary. You can apply resize, auto resize, to have the plane always as large as the part. Visibility, hole, face, center, 2. Select 2, and the hole is only up. The last are 2 chamfers of 1 at 45. Yes, these 2. Okay. Chamfer 1, not 2, to both. We have to place 2 holes in the bottom. 13 through. Face, project, face, finish, sketch, hole, through, 13, tab, 13, and we also select the other point. Now it's finished. Steel cast, and faces. This face, this chamfer, to be nice. This, and also the hole are to be machined. The bottom face as well, and the holes polished. Now the part is finished, but I think this is not what I want, so I can remove properties. .138 kilograms. That's all for the moment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.